In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete suppressed profiles on Klaviyo. Managing your email list is an essential part of running successful email marketing campaigns. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to delete suppressed profiles from your list to keep your database clean and compliant with marketing laws. Klaviyo makes it easy to manage these profiles, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your Klaviyo account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and go to the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your email and password associated with your Klaviyo account. After entering your details, click the login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Klaviyo dashboard. It's here where all the magic happens, from managing campaigns to analyzing data. But our focus today is on the Audience tab. Look for it on the dashboard. It should be clearly labeled and easy to locate. Clicking on Audience will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You want to select Profiles from this list. This action will take you to a new page populated with your subscriber profiles. Now for the task at hand, deleting suppressed profiles. Within the Profile section, look for a button or link labelled View Suppressed Profiles. It might not be immediately visible, but it's there. Upon clicking this, you will be directed to a list of profiles that are currently suppressed within your account for one reason or another, including unsubscribes, bounces, and spam reports. On this page, you'll notice another feature labelled Suppression List. This is where Klaviyo keeps a comprehensive list of all suppressed profiles. Accessing the suppression list will allow you to see in detail the suppressed profiles, including the reason for suppression. Perusing the suppression list, you might find certain profiles you decide should no longer be on your list. Perhaps they're outdated, or you've cleaned up your database through other means. Whatever the reason might be, deleting these profiles from your suppression list can be done quite easily. As you navigate through your suppressed profiles, you'll notice options alongside each profile. These options vary but look specifically for something akin to remove from list or delete. When you click on the option to remove or delete a suppressed profile, Klaviyo may ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm that you wish to proceed. This action is usually irreversible, meaning once a profile is deleted from the suppression list, it's permanently removed from your Klaviyo database. Remember, responsibly managing your email list is key to maintaining healthy sender reputation and ensuring your emails reach your intended audience. Regularly reviewing your suppressed profiles and making necessary adjustments is a good practice. However, be cautious. Deleting profiles should be done thoughtfully and in compliance with any regulations relevant to your audience. It's also worth noting that while this process helps keep your email list clean and compliant, it's just one part of managing your email marketing strategy effectively. Regularly engage with your list through well-crafted, valuable content and stay up to date with email marketing best practices to maximize your success. To sum up, today we've covered how to log into your Klaviyo account, navigate to the suppression list, and delete suppressed profiles when necessary. These steps are crucial for email list hygiene and ensuring your messages reach your subscribers without hiccups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering Klaviyo and boosting your email marketing efforts. Until next time, happy emailing.